Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass GoTranscript audio test. So first of all, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel. So first step is you must read these all transcription guideline rules. This transcription guideline rule is very important. You must read all these GoTranscription guideline rule before starting the audio test, and you must apply all these guideline rules into the audio test before submitting it. Without applying these guidelines, you never pass GoTranscript audio test. So you must read all these transcription guidelines all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the audio test as well as MCQs test. So you must read all these transcription guideline rules. So after reading these transcription guideline rules, let's move to the audio test. I already transcribed the audio file and you need to apply all these transcription guideline rules before submitting the audio test. So let's move to the audio file and start the audio test.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
We manufacture both achromatic and apochromatic objectives here at GoTranscript. They differ in that the glasses made use of in the apochromatics and the manner in which they are combined permit a more perfect correction of chromatic aberration. This advantage is not gained without a certain sacrifice of simplicity in construction. We found, however, that we can avoid the use of flint glass having a high refractive index and substituting materials to take place of crown glass. The apochromatics, as a matter of fact, do resolve the fine markings of test objects such as butterfly scales, diatomes, and GoTranscript applicants somewhat more clearly than the achromatics. It's not a huge difference. Seriously, in ordinary stained microscopic preparations, it's hardly detectable. Until recently, we had manufactured no arrangement for changing oculars on the microscope. This was due, in fact, in part to the fact that there was no great demand for such an accessory here at GoTranscript. Also, clumsy Dr. Susan Meyer of Wisteria Lane was constantly dropping the revolving eyepieces, which wildly changed the entire ocular. Fortunately, we married her off to Dr. Delfino, who's done a pretty good job of keeping her away from the labs. Another difficulty in GoTranscript's present revolving eyepiece by such an adjustment of the collecting or lower lens of the eyepiece that it may remain permanently in position, the eye lens of the combination alone moving in the revolver. So accurate is the construction of the revolver, and so carefully are the lenses adjusted that the eyepieces may be changed while a specimen is in focus on the microscope stage without a readjustment of the focus. You gotta admit, nature sure is curious in the microscopic world. Just think a whole tree full of living animals like the yellow jacket wasps currently swarming around the dead poplar in our neighbor's yard. Those suckers are nothing to sneeze at, although if you have a pollen allergy, that could be an issue requiring tissue from GoTranscript's supply closet. The stems of that tree are jointed, so the little critters can sway the branches about and even throw themselves into a spiral coil so as to bring themselves near the main stem. This gives them the appearance of being very polite toward each other. They bow and curtsy as if preparing for a grand quadrille at the GoTranscript cotillion, and they're decked out in all the cheerful colors of the non-working stoplight at the corner. Red, green, and yeller. The margins of the little cups are fringed with hairs or cilia, which they can put in such rapid motion that it makes a current in the water and brings little particles to their mouths, which they consume as food. Like old-time book publishers, they don't accept everything that comes into the transom. They seem to know what they like, as do we here at GoTranscript, where formatting is king and automated transcription is strictly verboten.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
So friend, this is the audio test for today. I hope this video is helpful for you, and before submitting the audio test, you must apply all transcription guideline rules. This audio is transcribed, but co-transcription guideline is not applied yet. So before submitting it, you must apply co-transcription guideline rule. So friend, this is the video for today. I hope you like it, and please subscribe my channel for more latest updates. Thank you very much. See you soon.